I had a buyer come into my model today. We were looking at houses here in the Cove at Westport, and it was interesting. We got into this conversation about searching for homes on Zillow. And I tell you what, there are so many homes out there on Zillow that it's amazing that anybody has the time to look through everything. I mean, you do a 5-mile radius search and about 2,000 to 3,000 homes pop up. Then, not to mention that the pictures don't really accurately reflect what the homes look like. You walk into the home to see it in person and you can't tell that the pool tiles are falling apart or that you're going to have to replace something in the home. It's quite amazing what photography will do these days. So this couple decided to take a look at new construction just to kind of see what's out there, because a lot of times the pricing on new construction homes are less than what these resales are listed for, unfortunately. And also a builder is going to be able to offer a little bit more help towards a buyer, towards you, when you are looking at purchasing a home. So that could mean maybe a little bit more off of the price of the home. It could mean that if you're financing, there might be some assistance towards closing costs or your loan. It could mean that you might be able to get some more in options like a washer and dryer or blinds on the windows. So we continue to have conversations with this person that came in, just talking about the differences between resale and new home construction. And we talked about the cost difference, maintaining the home. You know, think about what year that resale home was bought. You know, are you going to have to replace the roof anytime soon, or the hot water heater, or HVAC equipment? You know, there are a lot of different expenses. A lot of homes, resale homes here that were built in the 80s had copper pipes. And I just learned from my plumber, because my house has this problem, that the acid from the concrete will kind of cut through that copper and make it weak. And eventually it erodes to the point where you have to replace the copper pipes in the whole house. So that's going to be fun. But you know, with new construction, things are built to code. They're using better quality materials. So for the instance of having plumbing that is needing to be replaced, that's hopefully not going to happen with new construction. So that brings me to the last point, which is homeowners insurance. You know, homeowners insurance in Florida is a big thing right now. A lot of people have been talking about how their homeowners insurance cost has increased, and it's becoming less affordable for many people to own a home because they have increased insurance. So fortunately, when you're looking at a brand new home, because of these newer building codes, this is going to bring down that cost of the insurance by a ton. These twin villas that we're passing by right now, I just did a quote on them for this couple, $87 per month. That's amazing. So, you know, there's a lot of different things to consider when you're looking at purchasing a home. Those are just some of the key things that I talked about with this couple today, and something to consider when you're kind of looking at homes online. If you want more information about something specific, let me know. Leave me a comment. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel, as I am always talking about different things related to real estate, new construction related versus resale. And hope to talk to you all again soon.